Good morning, or whatever time it is where you are in the world. Today, I want to talk about Black Friday sanity. Now, not Black Friday insanity, but Black Friday sanity. How can you possibly have that? Well, I want you to first remember what is truly important. And in all of my workshops, when I ask people what's important in their lives, it's not stuff. It's the relationships, the people, and we've been talking a lot about relationships in terms of the cost of clutter. So remember this holiday season in particular that what is truly important is not things. Now, you can get some good Black Friday, Cyber Monday specials on experiences. And I'm all for that. So look at what do the people you love like to do? What do you like to do together? And look for those kinds of Black Friday sales for more sanity. Also, set a budget that will help you to not impulse buy and take advantage of the fact you may have noticed that Black Friday sales have already started. Now that's a little crazy, and the upside is that you can reflect a little bit. It might not just be one day that you have to make a decision. So if you see something that seems like a good fit for you or for your business, then you can make a note of it, save the link, and you can sleep on it. And sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you think, I don't really need that. But if you wake up and think, yes, that's going to help move me forward in my business, or that's something that the people that I care about really will truly love, then by all means go for it without guilt. So those are my thoughts on Black Friday sanity. Tell me your thoughts in the comments, please.